have the Xiaomi Watch S3, and this particular watch has a removable bezel. So you can see this bezel here. You can actually remove it and swap it for a different type of bezels. So to remove it, you want to just give it a little pressure towards the watch and then turn it anti-clockwise. So just be like that. And then as soon as you do that, you can now pick it up. It's very simple. Now to put it back, just make sure you align this with this like that. And then turn it anti-clockwise until it locks in place. So that's basically how to remove or change the bezel on your Xiaomi Watch S3. Now when you put it back, make sure there's no space left all around and make sure it's completely watertight. All right, so once again, anti-clockwise, and you remove that bezel. To put it back, align this with that, and then turn clockwise until it locks in place. Thanks for watching, and good luck.